I am not a psychopath. I just have been putting lashes on for a very, very long time. What is up, guys? Happy Monday. So tonight I will be doing a get ready with me. This look is just something that I found on Instagram and I thought it was really cute, so I definitely want to try it out for you all. And I'm going to do my hair too, because baby, that ain't it. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that for y'all, and just stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just finished my brows and prepped my eyes for my eyeshadow. I did use my concealer from Fenty Pro Filter in the color 410, and my brow pencil is the Morphe brow pencil in the color Java. So that's what that's looking like now, and now I'm going to go in with the shadows. I don't think I put the picture of the look that I was going for in the last video, so I will try to remember to do that this time, but yeah, let's get to that. Alright guys, so I finished my eyes. I did use the Juvia's Place, the Nubian 2 palette. And the colors I used out of this palette was Kenya, Ya, Nefertiti, and Zuri. And this is how my eyes turned out. I really like it. It's very good for like brown skin tones, I personally feel like, especially if you're going for like a natural look. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some mascara on my top line. I am not going to put on any eyeliner today, but I will go ahead and put my mascara on my top lash, and then I'll put my foundation on. The mascara that I am using is by Lancome. It is called the Lash Idol mascara. And again, I probably have said this a million times, but it is very comparable to the Benefit Bad Gal mascara, and it actually costs the same. So, you know, you can kind of go either or. If they don't have one, then you can get the other. And then the foundation I will be putting on today is the Pro Filter Foundation by Fenty in the color 430. Alright guys, so all I did was use my same Pro Filter concealer in the color 410 to conceal under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Banana setting powder and setting those areas that I just did. And I actually love this setting powder. It's actually very reasonable. So like if you're looking for a really good setting powder that does not cost you an arm and a leg, this is definitely it. I'm using it because I'm trying to use up the last little bit of it before I break into my Laura Mercier, because I do have that. And if you're an OG subscriber, then you know Laura Mercier love the setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off. No, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my bronzer. So my bronzer is by Morphe as well. It is the color leader. It is their GLAMABRONZE. And I usually bronze my nose to try to like contour it a bit, but not a lot. Then I go in and do my forehead into my cheekbone. And I just dust my whole face and go back over the areas that I added my bronzer, just to kind of like smooth everything back out. And now I'm going to just go back in with my Lancome mascara and do So for this look, I'm actually not going to do any blush. I am going to just highlight my face with the Royalty 1 loose highlight powder from JUVIA'S place. If you ever feel like you have a little too much highlight going on, which girl is never too much highlight, but you can always go back in with that same brush that you powdered with and kind of smooth some of that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face down with my setting spray. This is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Spray, and it is my absolute favorite, even though like this one, trust, like listen, their bottle is so freaking sensitive. If you drop it, it's gonna die on you, y'all. It's just gonna start acting crazy. So don't drop the bottle because you're gonna have some issues. And I always like to check for white spots after I spray this spray because baby, it be everywhere, okay? All over your clothes and everything. So like if you're doing your makeup, please don't have your clothes on yet because it's gonna jack you. Like you're gonna be jacked up. So for my lips, I do want to do a pop of color. I don't want to do a lipstick though, so I'm going to take my Burgundy liner from MAC and line my lips, and then I'm going to take a gloss and gloss over. So okay, so now we have a red lip. And now I need to put my lashes on because you look crazy, girl. You look crazy. So, like I've told y'all before, I don't know which lashes these are. And I'm pretty sure they're Lily lashes, but I don't know. I don't know which one it is because I definitely don't put my lashes back up. So I'm gonna put my glue on it. And again, the glue that I use is by Sassy, and it is the dark eyelash glue. And we're gonna let that dry. And while that's drying, we need to do something to this head. So as you can see, my hair has grown out in the front. I do have it in this low pony for right now because I work today. So I'm gonna take it out of the low pony. And I'm going to do my half up, half down pony, but I need to get enough of it up. So when your hair gets old like mine has, you kind of have to improvise hairstyles to make it not look old. So one of the things I do is I do like an extremely high pony with the back down. And the main thing with this is getting it tight enough. Okay, so once you get the high pony tight, you let it kind of fall all over the place like that. And boom. That's how you style that real quick so you don't like look a mess. And so now, yeah, I don't never wait for my lashes to dry all the way. So I'm about to put these bad boys on. So I don't use any tweezers or anything. I literally just throw my lash on, so don't you judge me. I am not a psychopath. I just have been putting lashes on for a very, very long time. Alright guys, so that is the end of my get ready with me. This was a partial get ready with me, so I only did my hair and my makeup. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all liked the look. I hope you all tried the look, and if you do try the look, don't forget to tag me in it on Instagram or wherever outlet you may be on. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and like this video and comment on this video, and then send your family and friends to watch this video and all the other videos on the channel. And I'll see y'all in the next one.